Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to Morning Yoga Feel Good Flow. Let's get started in a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Let's bring the hands together. A long deep breath in. As you exhale, let's rest the hands down. Focus and concentrate the mind on the inner experience, bringing the attention to rest on your breath, body, the sensations in the body, the mind, the quality of the thoughts and the emotions. And then allow yourself a long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's open the eyes. Let's get started on the hands and knees. We're going to work a little balanced mix of strength and flexibility today. So let's start off in our tabletop position. Let's hold it for 5 breaths. Grip your fingertips, draw the navel in. Try to find equal support through the front body and the back body. We'll stay for about 3 more breaths. Draw the navel in. Let's go for 2 more breaths. Last breath. All right, now we're going to roll through the hip joints. So I want you to go over to the right side, roll to the front of the hip joints, over to the left, and we'll go around the world. Roll through the hip joints, over to the left, and around the world. Nice. Now we're going to reverse directions. Over to the left side, go around the world, over to the right. All the way around the world. One more time. Over to the left side, spiral, drop, spin around. Very good. Back to your tabletop position. Hold your tabletop, keep it steady. Now, bird dog, left arm to the right leg, working that cross body stabilization. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, exhale, set it down. Switch the sides. Right arm to the left leg. 1, 2, 3, keep breathing. 4, and 5, exhale down. Good job. Okay, let's curl the toes under. Let's say hello to our downward facing dog. Inhale, downward facing dog. Good job. 1, 2, roll the shoulders open. 3, nice, good work. 4, we're almost there. 5, let's walk half the distance in. All right, we're going to bend the knees lightly, wrapping the fingers around your big toes. Inhale, straighten the arms, your chest moves forward. Exhale, forward fold, Padangusthasana, shoulder blades away from the ears. Lean a little forward. Yes, just like that. Lean into it. 1, 2, 3, don't overdo it. 4, and 5. Good job. Inhale, your chest moves forward. Exhale here. Let's take the hands on the ground. Walk your feet in towards each other. Bend the knees. Take a moment. I want you to feel the ankle bend. Roll through your ankle. Get down to the point where the heels pop off the ground and lightly put them down. Come up onto the tips of your fingers and then inhale. Utkatasana. Good. We can lift the arms up or you can push the palms into each other. Find what works better for you. 5 breaths. 1, knees spiral into each other. 2, navel is in. 3, almost there. 4, 5, exhale, hands down. Press into the shoulders. Step or jump back, plank. Hold plank. 1, 2, the navel is in, chest is a little forward. 3, 4, and 5. Let's roll it on over to side plank. You can gaze down or lift the arm and look up. 1, 2, use your transverse abdominals to lift. 3, 4, 5. Switch the gaze down. Come on back to plank. Stabilize plank for a moment. Switch the sides. Good. We can gaze down, keeping the arm in, or switch the gaze, look up. 1, 2, 3, transverse abdominals, you can do it. 4, 5, switch the gaze down, Slowly find your plank position, plank. All right, ready for chaturanga? We're gonna bend the elbows. Exhale, chest towards the ground. Inhale, lift the chest up, upward facing. Exhale, bring it on back, downward facing. Good job. Let's externally rotate the left hip joint, step your right foot forward. Grab a block, take the block on the outside, press triangle pose, Trikonasana. Breathe. 1. You can hold your big toe as well, or you can keep the hand on the floor. Just find the way to work. 3, 4. Stay with it, deep breaths. Almost there. Last one, a long deep breath in and a long deep breath out. Good. And exhale, fold forward, taking the hands down. Let's move the right foot a little bit back, shortening the distance. Then you can move your block over to the other side and then drop the chest forward. Interlace the fingers, and then you can reach the shoulders. We'll hold it for 5. 1, the navel draws in. 2, 3, 4, keep breathing. 5, exhale, hands down. Curl the left toes forward. Inhale, back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Stabilize downward facing. That's good. That's good. No rush. Good. Externally rotate the right hip joint. Left foot comes forward. Slide your block in place if you're using it. Press up on the block and reach up. Good. Trikonasana. Make sure you're using the legs and not just the arms. 1. Feel the left hip joint. Keep breathing. 2, 3. Keep working the breath-body-mind connection. 4. We're almost there. 5. Switch the gaze down. Drop that right hand down. You can push the block away for a moment. Good. And move the left foot a little bit back. Chest comes forward. We're going to drop the right side of the pelvis inward. Then you can stay there, fingertips on the ground, forward fold, or interlace your fingers. Release through the shoulders. 1, 2, the navel is in, deep breathing. 3, don't give up. 4, stay with it, it's intense. 5, exhale, release the hands, hands down. Spin the right foot forward and inhale, find your plank. Plank, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Switch the gaze forward, press into the shoulders. Cross your shin bones, cross your feet, slide forward, sit down. Then let's take Dandasana position, hands next to the hips. Stay there, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's grab the blocks, bring the blocks next to the little forward of the hips. Then I want you to cross your feet, hands on the blocks. We're going to work a lift up position. Inhale, hips back and up, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Then extend the legs. See if you can hold your ankles or anywhere on the leg, even under the knee. Also okay. Hold. Look up. 1, 2, 3. Steady breath. 4. And 5. Switch the gaze forward. Cross. Hands on the blocks. Chest forward and the hips back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Navasana. 1. So same pose, just don't hold the ankles. 2, if you need to hold the ankles, it's totally okay. 3, breathing. 4, almost there. 5, cross and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Move the blocks over to the side. Good. Separate the feet. We're going to take reverse tabletop position. Roll the shoulders forward and inhale. Lift the hips up. Good. 5 deep breaths. Release the front body. 1, 2, that's good, 3, almost there, 4, and 5, exhale down, good job. Let's spin around, rolling the spine gently down, very good. Let the neck release, the shoulders release. Drop both knees into your chest. Good, let's drop both knees into the chest. Extend the right leg out. A long, deep breath in. Exhale, cross over the center line. Reclining twist. Left arm comes up. Let's spiral it open. 5 breaths. 1, 2, easy does it. 3, no stress. 4, one more long, deep breath in, and a long, deep breath out. Good. Back to the center. Change the legs. Exhale, cross all the way over the center line. Inhale, lift the right arm up, and then exhale. Let's reach it open. Good. 5 breaths. 1, reach and extend. 2, 3, find the release. 4, focus, concentrate the mind. 5, back to the center. Constructive rest again, let the sacrum settle. Good, feel the breath, the body, the mind. Then exhale, extend the arms and legs. Training the mind to be powerfully and internally focused. Working the skill of concentration, this is called dharana. In this work of a focused and concentrated mind, aware of all the sensations, all the feelings, all the thoughts, all that we experience, the awareness is the thread that ultimately leads to our awakening. Now a long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, reawaken the body through the hands, the feet, the arms and legs. You can find the way to bend the knees and the elbows, and then slowly all the way up into the chest. Exhale over onto the side. And then inhale, we'll come all the way back up. Find a comfortable seated position, close the eyes, focus and concentrate the mind. Hands in prayer. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.